Strawberries are grown all over the world because they are very useful in human healthcare, can support the cardiovascular system, good for the digestive system, beautify the skin, can be eaten directly or made into drinks. Strawberries are very easy to grow. Today I will show you how to use used 10-liter plastic bottles to grow strawberries, both to avoid wasting materials and to save costs when growing strawberries. Please watch my video to see the effectiveness. First, to have a healthy strawberry plant, we start propagating by taking nutrients from mashed bananas. To develop new shoots of the old plant, when the plant has healthy roots and shoots, we will plant it. I will use one sliced banana and put it in the blender with water so that the nutrients and minerals from the banana are dissolved in the water, making it easier for the strawberry to absorb. Bananas contain a lot of potassium, phosphorus, and other nutrients, helping to improve soil quality, increase plant resistance, especially stimulate rooting and plant growth very well. After mashing the bananas with water, I added soil and stirred well, then took a plastic bottle, cut off the top, and used the bottom to plant strawberries. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you. Do you see how simple it is? After preparing all the ingredients, we will start growing strawberries from shoots. We just need to plant the shoots in the nursery pot. Let the plant absorb nutrients from the pureed banana. The plant will grow many new roots and healthy branches. After that, we can plant them in a permanent pot. While waiting for the strawberries to sprout, I will prepare the strawberry pots. Today, I will use a discarded 10-liter plastic bottle to grow strawberries hanging on the balcony of my house. Simple but effective. I will cut two sides of the plastic bottle and use a hot air gun to punch drainage holes to avoid waterlogging when planting strawberries. And this time, I will use a hanging rope to hang the strawberry pot on the balcony. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. What do you think? I turned discarded plastic bottles into hanging baskets for growing strawberries. Simple and beautiful. Now I just need to put soil in the pots and plant the strawberries. After putting enough soil in each pot, I will take advantage of the balcony space to hang the strawberry plants. After only 5 days of growing young shoots from old strawberry plants with mashed banana, the plants now have new roots and branches. Now I can cut and plant them. Young strawberries are very fragile and hurt, so when planting, should be gentle and careful. Help strawberries have a healthy energy to develop from the days. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After planting the strawberries, I fertilize each plant with organic pellets. This fertilizer provides long-term nutrition and dissolves when watered. It is non-toxic and environmentally friendly. Finally, I just water to keep the plant moist enough to grow, root, and spread branches. You see, thanks to proper breeding, planting, and care, after only 10 years, the strawberries have taken root. The branches and leaves are lush, healthy, and green. Currently, I am taking care of strawberries in the early stages. Each stage of strawberry growth requires different care because this is the stage when the plant flowers and prepares to bear fruit. Therefore, this time I will use coffee powder to fertilize each plant. In addition to providing nutrients for plants, ground coffee also stimulates flowering, prevents pests and diseases, and helps plants have very good resistance. And we need to water each plant to keep the plant moist, and also to let the coffee powder gradually dissolve in the water. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Now that the strawberries have bloomed, to stimulate the flowers to produce large, abundant fruit, I use garlic mixed with water and spray it evenly on each plant. In addition to stimulating flowering, garlic also repels insects, prevents pests, and kills mold. In the previous stage, we have increased nutrition. The strawberry plant has enough energy to grow. Now we just need to maintain enough water to keep the plant moist. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Strawberry is a short-term fruit tree. After only 2 months of planting, strawberries have produced many large, ripe fruits. Now, I can pick strawberries as gifts for my relatives and enjoy them. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you.